Travel promises adventure, new experiences, and the thrill of exploring unfamiliar places. Whether you're heading out for a long-awaited vacation or a quick business trip, the excitement of the journey is often just as memorable as the destination itself. But for many travelers, back pain can quickly turn that excitement into discomfort, frustration, and even regret. It's an unwelcome companion that can sneak up on you when you least expect it. Hours spent squeezed into cramped airplane seats, lugging heavy bags through terminals, and sleeping in unfamiliar hotel beds can all take a toll on your back. These challenges add up, straining your muscles and leaving you feeling stiff and sore. The irony is hard to ignore. The trip you plan to relax and recharge can sometimes leave you feeling more worn out than when you left home. Instead of returning refreshed, you might find yourself nursing aches and pains. But here's the good news. You don't have to let back pain ruin your travel plans or overshadow your adventures. With a little preparation, you can take control of your comfort. By adopting a few smart habits and making simple adjustments, you can keep your back happy and healthy from the moment you leave home until you return. Small changes can make a big difference. In this guide, we'll show you how to pack efficiently, choose the right gear, sit with proper posture, and move in ways that protect your back. You'll learn practical tips for every stage of your journey. We'll cover easy stretches you can do anywhere, smart setup tips for flights and hotels, and simple ways to support your spine, no matter where your travels take you. Our goal is to help you make your next trip memorable for all the right reasons, so you can focus on the sights, sounds, and experiences, not on an aching back. Ready to travel pain-free and enjoy every moment? Let's get started on your journey to a more comfortable, happier adventure. Your first defense against back pain starts before you even leave your bedroom, right at the moment you begin packing. Many travelers overlook this crucial step, but how you prepare your luggage can make all the difference for your comfort and health throughout your journey. When choosing your suitcase, opt for a four-wheeled spinner model that you can push in front of you, rather than one you have to pull behind. Pushing a suitcase keeps your spine aligned and reduces the risk of twisting or straining your back, especially during long walks through airports or train stations. As you pack, keep things light and balanced. Place your heaviest items, like shoes or toiletries, close to the wheels at the bottom of your suitcase. This helps stabilize your bag and makes it easier to maneuver, preventing awkward lifting or sudden shifts in weight that can catch your back off guard. When it's time to lift your suitcase, always use proper technique. Bend your knees, keep your back straight, and engage your core muscles. This method protects your spine and ensures your legs do the heavy lifting, not your vulnerable lower back. If your bag feels too heavy or awkward to lift, don't hesitate to ask for help. Airport staff and fellow travelers are often willing to lend a hand, and it's always better to be safe than risk an injury that could ruin your trip. For your personal item, choose a backpack and wear it with both straps over your shoulders. This distributes the weight evenly across your back and shoulders, reducing strain and helping you maintain good posture as you move. Adjust the backpack strap so the bag sits high and close to your body. A snug fit keeps the load stable and prevents it from pulling you backward or causing you to hunch forward. Resist the urge to overpack. Every extra pound you add is extra strain on your back, especially when you're lifting your bag into overhead bins or carrying it upstairs. Take only what you truly need, and leave some space for souvenirs or essentials you might pick up along the way. Remember, a lighter bag means a happier, healthier back. You'll move more freely, feel less fatigued, and enjoy your travels without nagging aches or pains slowing you down. Make these packing strategies a habit every time you travel. With a little planning and attention to detail, you'll set yourself up for a strong, pain-free start to your journey. Smart packing isn't just about convenience, it's the foundation of pain-free travel and a more enjoyable trip overall. Protect your back before you even leave home. A few thoughtful choices now can save you from discomfort later. Your journey to comfort and adventure truly begins with your suitcase, so pack smart, travel light, and give your back the best start possible. Travel seats aren't built for comfort, so you need to take charge. Sit all the way back, keep your spine straight, and avoid slouching. Use a lumbar pillow or a rolled-up sweater for lower back support. Keep your feet flat on the floor, knees at a right angle. If your feet dangle, use a footrest or your bag. Change positions every 20-30 minutes. Shift your weight, cross and uncross your legs, recline briefly. Even small movements keep your muscles loose and your blood flowing. Don't let stiffness sneak up on you. With a few adjustments, you can turn any seat into your comfort zone. Remember, good posture is your best travel companion. Make every mile easier on your back. Airplane seats are tight, but you can still protect your back. Set up your space, place your lumbar support, adjust your headrest, and keep essentials within reach. Drink plenty of water. Hydration keeps muscles flexible. Use restroom breaks as chances to walk and stretch. Get up at least once an hour when possible. While standing, reach overhead, twist gently, and do calf raises. In your seat, roll your neck, shrug your shoulders, and flex your ankles. Hug one knee to your chest for a quick lower back stretch. Small, regular movements prevent stiffness and pain. Make every flight a little more comfortable with these habits. Road trips are all about freedom and adventure, but they also give you something even more important: control over your comfort. When you're behind the wheel, you have the power to create a supportive environment for your back and body. Don't just settle in. Take a few moments before you start driving to set up your space for maximum comfort. Adjust your seat so you can reach the pedals easily, with your knees slightly bent and your hips level. Recline the seat back just enough to support your spine, but not so much that you're slouching. A well-positioned seat helps prevent stiffness and fatigue, especially on long drives. Next, set the steering wheel so your arms are relaxed, with a gentle bend at the elbows. This reduces tension in your shoulders and neck, making it easier to drive for hours without discomfort. If your car has built-in lumbar support, use it to maintain the natural curve of your lower back. If not, a small pillow or rolled-up towel can work wonders. Supporting your lower back helps prevent soreness and keeps your posture healthy. Don't forget your headrest. Align it so the top is level with the top of your ears. This protects your neck and reduces the risk of injury in case of sudden stops. Every hour or two, make it a point to pull over, get out, and stretch. Even a short walk around the car or a few simple stretches can refresh your muscles and boost your energy for the next leg of the journey. If you're traveling with others, switch drivers whenever possible. Sharing the driving duties helps everyone stay alert and reduces the strain on any one person's back. Passengers, you're not off the hook. Move your legs, stretch your arms, and recline your seat when you can. Staying active, even while seated, keeps your body from getting stiff. At rest stops, don't just sit and wait. Take the opportunity to walk around, stretch your spine, and get your blood flowing. These small breaks can make a big difference in how you feel at the end of the day. Remember, sharing the drive isn't just about splitting the work, it's about making the journey more enjoyable and comfortable for everyone. With a few thoughtful adjustments and regular breaks, you can turn your car into a true comfort zone, a place where you feel good, not sore. So, set yourself up for success. Enjoy the open road, and make every mile a comfortable one. Enjoy the ride, not the ache. Bus rides can be long and rigid, but you can still stay comfortable. Choose an aisle seat for easier movement. Bring a lumbar pillow and neck pillow for support. Pack a blanket or scarf to stay warm and relaxed. Use every rest stop to get off, walk, and stretch. In your seat, adjust posture, use a footrest or bag, and do ankle rolls and shoulder shrugs. If space allows, elevate your legs for better circulation. Don't just endure the ride, actively manage your comfort. Small, consistent actions keep your back happy. Arrive refreshed and ready to explore. Make every mile count for your comfort. Stretching is your secret weapon against travel stiffness. Try a seated spinal twist. Sit tall, turn gently to one side, hold, then switch. Hug one knee to your chest for a lower back release. When standing, do a forward bend. Let your arms and head hang, knees soft. Gently, tilt your ear to your shoulder for a neck stretch. Roll your shoulders forward and back to release tension. These moves are quick, discreet, and effective anywhere. Stretch every chance you get, at stops, in aisles, or even in your seat. Regular stretching keeps your spine flexible and pain-free. No equipment needed, just a few mindful minutes. Make stretching part of your travel routine. Your back will thank you. The most important travel tip: listen to your body. If you feel discomfort, don't ignore it. Move, stretch, or take a break. Adjust your plans if needed. A short rest now prevents bigger problems later. After long travel, give yourself time to recover before jumping into activities. Adapt these tips to what works best for you. Maybe you need more frequent breaks or a favorite stretch. Do what feels right. Travel should be joyful, not painful. By tuning into your body's signals, you stay in control of your comfort. Make self-care a priority on every trip. Your body knows best. Trust it. Happy travels start with listening to yourself. Preventing back pain on the go is about simple, intentional choices. Pack smart, sit well, and move often. These are your keys to comfort. Anyone can use these tips no matter the destination or budget. Try just 1 or 2 strategies next time you travel and notice the difference. Make your well-being a priority and let your adventures be pain-free. Your comfort toolkit is ready. Use it every trip. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.willieguru.com and get your travel gear and back pain relief here, with my associate links in this description. Here's to many more journeys filled with joy, not aches. Safe travels!